Hey friends, I don't know about you, but I think I found the honey hole of the birds. Where there's water, there are birds. Hope you enjoy. Wood storks, spoonbills, white ibis, snowy egrets, little blue herons, green herons. I think I said great egret. Oh, even a pie-bill grebe, a black-crowned night heron. Look at all these guys working here together. They're chasing water. Whenever you're in a drought type of a situation and you want to see birds, go chase the water. And a pair of mottled ducks down there too. Just got to look for those unique areas. You're going to find them. Got pretty lucky today.